Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm making a tutorial on how I do this easy DIY fake nails at home. So guys, if you want to see a tutorial on how I achieve this easy DIY fake nails at home, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. So guys, on today's video on DIY fake nails at home, okay guys, these are the nails in which we'll be making use of. Okay guys, okay, this is for my left finger and then this is for my right finger, and we'll be making use of this matte top coat. Okay guys, and here is the nail glue in which we'll be making use of, some nail files, okay, and then here is the nail. Okay guys, it's a white tips nail. So guys, right now, okay, we are going to get started. Don't forget that the link to everything I used, I'm going to put them in the description box. Make sure you check them, make sure you check it out. Okay, so guys, first thing first, we are going to make use of this white nail file, or is it called buffer also? Okay, so guys, we're going to use it to go over, you're going to use it to go over your fingernails in order to reduce any shine. Okay, okay guys, this is going to ensure that the glue stick to your nail, and also that the nails last a little bit longer. Okay, after that, using this little brush, okay, nail brush, you're going to use it to brush out the dirt. Okay, and now guys, I'm going to go over my fingernails with a base coat. Okay, with a nail polish base coat. Okay, just a white nail polish. So guys, since we've sized the fake nails to our fingernails, okay, you just need to take the fake nail, okay, and then place it on the nail, place it on your fingernail. Okay guys, okay, in case it doesn't size well, just like this, okay, in case it doesn't fit properly, okay guys, you can just file it out a little bit. Okay, using a nail file, try to file the fake nail a little bit. Okay, and so guys, now that we've filed it to fit properly using a nail glue, okay, we are going to apply some glue to the fake nail and also to our fingernail. Okay, and so guys, here is it. And then we are going to as well gently place it in. Okay, place the fake nail on your fingernail and then hold it for 10 to 5 seconds in order for it to stick. Okay, so guys, as well, we are going to apply some glue to the fake nail. Also going to apply some glue to your fingernail. So guys, then you're going to place the fake nail on your fingernail and then hold it for, and you're going to hold it for at least 5 seconds. Okay, so guys, I'm going to repeat the same step, okay, to the rest of my nails. Okay, so guys, now that we are through placing the fake nails, okay, on my fingernail using a file, we are going to use this nail file to file down the nail. Okay, so that there will be a smooth transition between your real nail and the fake nail. Okay, So guys, now that I applied the fake nail down, okay, and I've gotten a smooth transition, as you can see, okay guys, as you can see, now I've gotten a smooth transition, okay. I'm going to go over and apply some glue, okay. So I'm just going to go over and apply some glue. I'm going to repeat the same step here on my remaining fingernails, okay. So guys, now that I'm through with placing the fake nails, I'm going to go over and apply this matte top coat on top, okay. Just a normal top coat application, okay. And so guys, I'm going to turn on this UV lead nail lamp, okay, to 30 seconds and allow the nail to dry, okay, the matte top coat to dry, okay. Also guys, I'm going to put the link to this UV lead nail lamp, okay, in the description box in case you want to get yours, okay. So guys, this is the finished DIY fake nails at home, okay guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.